How to hide all Facebook photos. To hide all your Facebook photos by setting them to only me, follow these steps. Firstly, open Facebook on your device. On Facebook, make sure that you are logged in to your account. Now go to your profile by tapping on the three-line icon at the top right corner. Then go to your profile. In your profile, scroll down and navigate to the post that you would like to hide. At the top right corner of your post, you will see a three-dot icon. Click on the three-dot icon and this kind of menu will appear. On this menu, select the option Edit Privacy. Now here you will see different kind of options. Select the option Only Me. If you want this post to be visible to specific friends, you can tap on Specific Friends. Now go back to your previous page and the changes will be saved automatically. After it has been set to Only Me, you will see this lock icon. Now scroll down and go to the next post. Now again follow the same steps as previous. You will need to do this manually for all the posts. This is because there is no direct option available to hide all of your posts. So that is it for this video. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.